Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we'll be attempting LeetCode problem 231, power of 2. This is another easy one. I'm just trying to stick to the easy ones. And so, given the integer n, return true if it is a power of 2, otherwise return false. The integer n is a power of 2 if there exists an x such that n equals 2 to the x. And so, for sure this one is a recursive problem. I'm not going to do the follow-up, but let's give it a try. So it's going to return either false or true. We have to consider our base cases. So, if n equals 1, then we can return true, right? Because if n equals 1, what's happening is that it's 2 to the power of 0. And so 1 is a power of 2 always. Okay? And then if n modulo 2 does not equal 0, meaning if it's odd, then return false. Because we know that any odd number such as 3, 5, 11, it's never going to be a power of 2. Alright, so now the recursive case, we have our two base cases outlined. So if it doesn't fall into either one of these, we're going to have to check. Because not all even numbers are a power of 2, such as 14. So, and then, yeah, so we can return is power of 2 of n divided by 2, I think, to check if that one is a power of 2. So if it keeps returning true, then it should return true. So let's take 14, for example. We're going to pass 14, and it's not going to be either one, and it is even. So we're going to try it on 7, it's going to return false. Let's try 16. So this one keeps just making it so that it goes down and down until it can reach 2. If it doesn't, it's going to hit some other number, some odd number probably. So then it's going to return false. Alright, let's try this. Return is power of 2. Oh yeah, that's really nice. I forgot that's the thing when you do recursion. So it looks like it passed the test cases. Let's see if there's... Alright, let's try it. Oh shoot, okay, it says time limit exceeded. So we passed 1,087 out of 1,110. Is there anything... Okay, so I think what they're doing is that they're gonna try to pass, it's gonna be signed integers, so if you pass in, like, say, -4, it's not gonna check, it's not gonna work. So I think on this one, we're gonna have to have another, oh shoot, I keep getting messed up with C++ and Java, so n mod 2 does not equal 0, meaning if it's odd, or n is less than or equal to 0, because 0 is not included, then we can return false. So this also includes -2 and 0. Okay, let's test it again. Okay, yeah, I think this one should work then, because we have both base cases, and then we have the recursive case. Okay, yeah, so it looks like we did it, and we did it really good too. So yeah, that's that little line that, I assumed that it was unsigned, but it is signed, so yeah, always gotta read the directions carefully.